I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Color Jenga with dice. First, carefully build the Jenga tower by stacking 3 blocks per layer. Make sure to alternate the direction of the blocks in each new layer, creating a stable structure. Distribute the colored blocks evenly throughout the tower. Place the special 6-sided color die where everyone can reach it. This setup ensures a fair and exciting game for all players. When it's your turn, roll the 6-sided color die. The color it lands on dictates which color block you must remove from the tower. Choose any block of that color from any level below the highest complete layer. Remember, you can only use one hand to remove the block. This rule adds an extra layer of challenge and requires a steady hand to keep the tower from toppling. After successfully removing a block, you must carefully place it on the very top of the tower. Continue to build new layers of 3 blocks, alternating their direction as before. This process makes the tower taller and increasingly unstable with each turn. The goal is to maintain balance while adding to the height, making the game more challenging for subsequent players. The game concludes when the tower inevitably tumbles. The player whose turn it was when the tower falls is the loser. Conversely, the player who successfully removed and placed a block, leaving the tower standing for the next person, is considered the winner of that round. Many players enjoy playing several rounds to crown an ultimate Color Jenga champion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.